Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add and customize footer in Wix Studio. So I am in the Wix Studio. So here it is. First step you need to click on add element. So from here you can add any elements. So I want to add the footer. So you need to click here and here you can see different designs. So I want to add this footer. So scroll down here, scroll down more and I want to add it here like this. So this is an example I am showing you, and then you need to click on here to quick edit and you can add the details, and it is up to you. But let's suppose I want to customize this, so you simply need to select, you need to change color layout from here. So it is up to you how you can customize that. You can do any change in that. Here you can see how you want your photo. Okay, and you can change section background, stripe background, title, paragraph, button. So it is up to you how how you want to customize. So this is a process how you can add and customize footer in Wix Studio. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.